Hello, this is Susanna from Hold It Right There Sewing Patterns. Welcome to my tutorial video series for my sewing pattern, the Corcoran Crossbody Bag. In March of 2022, I released a complete update of this sewing pattern. This video follows the instructions for the updated version. If you purchased the original version of this pattern and would like the update, please contact me on my website linked below. The purpose of this series is to walk you through the instructions while you're making the Corcoran Crossbody Bag. You will need to purchase the sewing pattern at my website linked below. Styled after a messenger bag, the Corcoran Crossbody is as versatile as it is functional. The 5x7-inch zipper pocket built into the flap is a great place to keep your phone. You may want to feature a favorite fabric illustration or embroidery on the flap. The flap opens with a magnetic snap, and underneath it is a large slip pocket. The main compartment of the bag beneath the flap opens with a zipper. This zipper offers extra security for your belongings. The zipper is designed to be longer than the width of the bag so that you can see fully inside. There are several pockets inside the lining. On the back of the lining is a small slip pocket, and on the lining front are 2 pen pockets, as well as an additional smaller slip pocket. I've included instructions for an optional zip pocket, as well as instructions for turning the bag right side out through the optional zip pocket. Instructions are also included for turning the bag through an opening in the lining. There's another large slip pocket on the back exterior of the bag, and this secures shut with a magnetic snap. The adjustable crossbody strap connects to swivel hooks on the riveted bag gusset. I will now go over the supplies you need to make this bag, covered on page 2 of your pattern. For fabric 1, you will need 7/8 of a yard of quilt weight cotton, lightweight canvas, or linen blend. And this is the solid color that I have on the exterior of my bag. For fabric 2, you will need 5/8 yard of quilt weight cotton. This is the fabric that I have featured on the exterior flap of my bag. For fabric 3, you will need 1 yard of quilt weight cotton. This is the fabric I used for the lining of my bag. For woven interfacing, you will need 4 yards of 20-inch Pellon SF101 or another comparable woven interfacing. I used a great woven interfacing product from 2 Minutes to Stitch, and I have their Etsy shop linked below, an excellent product that I can highly recommend. You will also need a piece of ultra-firm stabilizer, 3 inches by 6 inches, and I'm using Pellon Peltex. You will need 2 magnetic snaps, 2 3/4 inch D-rings, 2 3/4 inch swivel hooks, 1 3/4 inch slide, 1 8-inch zipper, 1 13-inch zipper, and for the optional zipper pocket, you will need 1 9-inch zipper. Continuous zipper tape cut to the lengths needed can also be used. You will need 2 to 3 zipper pulls depending if you choose the optional zipper pocket. You will need 8 double-capped metal rivets plus tools for installation. You will need a washable fabric marker, or I am using a friction pen, liquid fabric sealant such as Dritz Fray Check, glue such as Fabri-Tac or glue stick. You will need double-sided tape, and for domestic sewing machines, I recommend a walking foot attachment. Here's a list now of the fabric, interfacing, and notions and hardware supplies I just covered, and you will find these on page 2 of your sewing pattern. Once you've chosen your fabrics and gathered your supplies, you're ready to begin. My next video in this series will overview the special features of the pattern and walk through preparing the fabric and interfacing for your bag. If you're looking for inspiration as you consider your unique creative expression for your bag, check out the Corcoran Lookbook linked below. It's a collection of all the varied and beautiful bags made by my talented team of testers. Thanks for watching. Happy sewing!